The Slovak armed forces are building an impressive missile arsenal packed with some of the most advanced weapons on the planet. But which of these marvels of engineering truly stand out in modern warfare? Today we'll find out as we explore the top 10 most powerful missiles in the Slovak armed forces. Number 10, 9K38 Igla. Kicking off our list is a weapon that puts lethal anti-aircraft power directly into the hands of infantry. The 9K38 Igla II is a man-portable air defense system, or MANPADS, that has been a staple of ground forces since its introduction in 1983. Produced by the Russian firm GBU, this is the last line of defense against low-flying threats. Weighing just over 10 kilograms, an operator can shoulder fire the Igla II, sending its 1.57-meter-long projectile screaming towards its target at over 2,000 kilometers per hour. It uses an infrared guidance system, meaning it homes in on the heat signature of an aircraft's engine. This fire-and-forget capability allows the operator to seek cover immediately after launch. Number 9, R-60. Next up is a classic from the Cold War era of dogfighting, the Vympel R-60. Known in the West as the AA-8 AFID, this was the quintessential short-range, heat-seeking missile designed for the intense, turning fights of close-quarters air combat. Introduced back in 1974, it was remarkably small and agile for its time, with a mass of just 40 kilograms and a length of about 2 meters. Its 12-centimeter diameter airframe was designed for speed and maneuverability, capable of reaching blistering speeds of nearly 3,334 kilometers per hour. The R-60's operational doctrine was simple: get on an enemy's tail and let its infrared seeker lock on. While its engagement envelope was limited to a maximum range of 8 kilometers, within that bubble it was a formidable weapon, and its high speed allowed it to climb to an impressive service ceiling of 20,000 meters, ensuring it could intercept high-altitude targets if needed. Number 8, S-5 rocket. At number 8, we have a weapon that's less about precision and all about saturation. The S-5 is a 55mm unguided air-to-ground rocket, a veteran design from Russia's KBM that entered service in 1955. This isn't a missile, it's a barrage weapon, typically fired from pods carrying dozens of individual rockets. Each rocket is a simple projectile, less than a meter long and weighing only about 4 kilograms. The goal isn't to hit a specific point, but to blanket a target area with high explosives and shrapnel, making it highly effective against soft targets like troop concentrations or unarmored vehicles. Despite its lack of guidance, the S-5 is fast, achieving a velocity of 2,160 kilometers per hour shortly after launch. Its effective range is limited to about 4 kilometers, requiring the launch aircraft to get relatively close to the combat zone to deliver its devastating payload. Number 7, LAU-127. Sometimes the most critical piece of equipment isn't the one that goes boom. At number 7, we have the LAU-127, a missile rail launcher produced by Marvin Engineering in the USA. This piece of hardware is the essential interface between a modern fighter jet and its ordnance. While it doesn't have a motor or a warhead, a missile like the AIM-120 AMRAAM would be useless without it. The LAU-127, measuring 2.69 meters long, physically attaches the missile to the aircraft's pylon and, more importantly, provides the electronic connection for the pilot to communicate with the weapon before launch. It allows the jet's fire control system to feed targeting data to the missile, ensuring it knows where to go the instant it comes off the rail. It's a testament to the fact that in modern warfare, the launcher is just as important as the projectile it fires. Number 6, GBU-12 Paveway II. Entering the realm of precision-guided munitions, our number 6 is the GBU-12 Paveway II. This isn't a missile, but a guidance kit, developed by Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, that transforms a standard 230-kilogram general-purpose bomb into a laser-guided smart weapon. Introduced in 1976, the Paveway II kit consists of a seeker on the front and fins on the back that steer the bomb towards its target. The system works through laser designation. A friendly unit, either on the ground or in the air, points a laser beam at the target. The GBU-12 seeker then homes in on the reflected laser energy, guiding the bomb to a direct hit with incredible accuracy. With a length of 3.33 meters and a diameter of 27.3 centimeters, the GBU-12 can be dropped from a safe distance, gliding towards its target up to 14.8 kilometers away, making it a cost-effective and reliable choice for surgical strikes. Number 5. GBU-49 Enhanced Paveway II. At number 5, we have the evolution of laser-guided technology, the Raytheon GBU-49 Enhanced Paveway II. Introduced in 2008, this weapon takes the proven concept of the GBU-12 and adds a critical layer of sophistication. While it still retains its laser seeker, the GBU-49 incorporates a GPS and inertial navigation system. This dual-mode capability is a game-changer. It means the weapon can be used in adverse weather conditions, where a laser might be obscured simply by programming it with the target's GPS coordinates. It gives pilots the flexibility to engage targets of opportunity using a laser or to hit pre-planned, fixed targets in any weather. Weighing around 280 kilograms, this ordnance can be released from altitudes up to 7,620 meters and can accurately strike targets over 15 kilometers away, offering a significant upgrade in operational flexibility. Number 4. AIM-9 Sidewinder. Cracking our top 4 is a true icon of aerial combat, the Raytheon AIM-9 Sidewinder. Perhaps the most famous air-to-air missile ever made, its lineage dates back decades, but the modern versions, like the AIM-9X introduced in 2003, are at the pinnacle of dogfighting technology. This is a short-range infrared homing missile designed for the visual range arena. The latest variants feature a high off-bore sight capability, meaning a pilot can target an enemy aircraft simply by looking at it through their helmet-mounted display, even if the enemy is far off to the side. The missile, which is 3 meters long with a mass of 80 kilograms, is incredibly agile and can pull extreme gravitational forces. It travels at over 3,000 kilometers per hour and has a sophisticated seeker that can distinguish the heat of an enemy's engine from defensive flares, making it exceptionally lethal in a close-quarters fight out to a range of 35 kilometers. Number 3. AIM-120 AMRAAM. Our number 3 spot goes to the king of beyond visual range combat, the Raytheon AIM-120 AMRAAM. This is the weapon that defines modern air superiority. Introduced in its modern form around 2007, the AMRAAM is an advanced medium-range air-to-air missile that allows pilots to engage enemy aircraft from well over the horizon, long before a visual dogfight can begin. Its most critical feature is its active radar homing seeker. After being launched and guided by the firing aircraft initially, the missile's own onboard radar activates in the terminal phase, hunting down the target autonomously. This gives it a true fire-and-forget capability. At 3.7 meters long and with a mass of 160 kilograms, the AMRAAM is a formidable projectile, capable of reaching speeds of almost 4,900 kilometers per hour and engaging targets at altitudes of 20,000 meters and ranges exceeding 160 kilometers. Number 2. Barak MX. Coming in at number 2 is a system designed to stop threats like the AMRAAM dead in their tracks. The Barak MX from Israel Aerospace Industries is a highly advanced modular air defense system that became operational in 2018. It's designed to provide a comprehensive defensive bubble against a vast array of aerial threats, from fighter jets and helicopters to incoming missiles and drones. The system is flexible, using different-sized interceptors for medium, long, and extended-range engagements. The longest-range interceptor missile is 4.5 meters long, with a diameter of 22.5 centimeters. Fired from a vertical launch system, it can intercept threats at a staggering altitude of 30,000 meters. With a top speed of over 2,448 kilometers per hour and the ability to engage targets out to 150 kilometers, the Barak MX represents the cutting edge of ground-based air defense, ensuring battlespace control. Number 1, JDAM, and taking the top spot on our list is a piece of technology that fundamentally changed modern warfare. The JDAM, the Joint Direct Attack Munition, produced by Boeing since 1997, is not a missile but a low-cost guidance tail kit. Its genius lies in its simplicity. You can take a standard, unguided dumb bomb from 230 kilograms up to 900 kilograms and bolt the JDAM kit onto its tail. This instantly transforms it into a highly accurate, all-weather, GPS-guided smart weapon. The impact of this cannot be overstated. It made precision bombing an affordable, routine capability. A pilot can now carry a large number of these weapons, release them from over 28 kilometers away, and let their GPS/INS guidance steer them to individual targets with pinpoint accuracy, regardless of clouds or smoke. For its revolutionary effect on air power, low cost, and sheer effectiveness, the JDAM is our number 1. And there you have it, folks. These were the 10 best missiles in the Slovak Armed Forces. Which of these machines really impressed you? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see much more rankings like these.